Good morning everyone. I thought I would share with you today a little tip that I have used in my Mary Kay business for a long time now, and it still works really well. I am not a full-time Mary Kay consultant anymore, but I still do have a very good part-time business, and I believe that this has been part of keeping my customers with me over a long time. Some customers I've had for 14 years. And that is great customer loyalty, and that says a lot about you as a consultant and how you run your business. So I wanted to share this with you today. I've been doing it for a long time now, so details on how I created the card might be a little bit scarce, but I'll do my best to try and remember what I actually did. But what it is, it's a VIP customer loyalty card. It's kept my customers coming back to me year after year with their product reorders, and they love it and I love it. It's really simple to do. It's no hassle. It doesn't cost any money. So yeah, I just really love it. It looks like this, and I know you can't see it very well from here, but what I'll do is I'll take a screenshot of it and I'll put it on my website that I have for file downloads and things like that about Mary Kay business. I've shared a video about that before, and I'll link it down below so that you can go to that website and have a look. That's where I put all the files of things that I've done in the past. Look, everyone was asking me for copies of them to email them, and it's just easier if I put them on the website. You can go and help yourself to them. So I'll put it there. But basically what I did was I created a business card with Vistaprint, and you can go in there, and from memory I think they had lots of pre-made formats, and you can just go online, create yourself an account and edit to what you want. So my one just says earn 10 stamps then get a half price product. So it's got 10 little squares, and what I do, and you can do whatever way you want to do it, but what I've always done is for every $20 they spend with me, they get a stamp. So if they spend $200, they've then earned themselves a half price product. And the reason why I did half price was because back in the day, I was getting all my products at 50%, so therefore I knew that I could give them a reward and it wasn't costing me any money. I was getting the cost of the product back. I just wasn't getting any profit on it. It's a little bit harder these days because when you're working your Mary Kay business part-time, you have to manage it very carefully to make sure that you're getting enough business to create those orders. Otherwise it could be costing you money. So I totally get if you're a new consultant starting out or you're only running your business part-time, it's a little bit harder, so you might want to think that out. I still offer 50% to my customers, and I just make sure that I manage my business really carefully to make sure that I get my orders up to enough to be able to cover my costs for that. So that's a whole other story probably. Basically what it happens is customers love it. They simply are reordering their products, and then every now and then they'll flick me a text or an email and just say, hey, I need to put in a new order and I've got 10 stamps on my card, so they'll get the next product at half price. And how I do it is I give them the most valued product at half price. So that then gives them the incentive to keep ordering really good products and to keep their orders quite high as well, so that they're maximizing the opportunity to get something really good from me at half price. So they're not just getting an eyeliner or an eyeshadow, they're usually getting a skincare item which is higher value because they want to make the most of the discount that they're getting. What I do, and this is really important, is I don't give them extra reward on the rewarded product. So let me see if I can try and explain that to you. If a customer orders $100 worth of product from me and there's one item worth 40 and there's one item worth 60, I give them the $60 product at half price. So they're only paying $30 for that product. So I'm still getting $70 for the $100. Now, I will give them 2 stamps on the $40 product, because remember I give for every $20, so they get 2 stamps on the $40 product because they've paid full retail for that product. The one that they got for half price, so the $60 product that they're only paying $30 for, they don't receive any stamps on that product because that was the reward. So I'm not going to double up the reward on a rewarded product. So I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, leave a comment below and I'll try and explain it better, but I think I've covered that, hopefully. That's pretty much all I do. It's really simple. It's easy to manage. I do track how many stamps I've given my customers because occasionally they lose cards, and I always just wanted to make sure when I first started doing it that no one tried to cheat me out of some stamps. They never have. I've got amazing customers. Like I say, they've been with me for 14 years, some of them. So I know this program really works. I do occasionally still chuck in some extra product samples and a lookbook. I've got a video on how I manage my samples. It's quite old, but it's still really relevant, and I haven't changed my system in any way. I still do it exactly the same. And I track what samples I give them so that I'm not giving them samples of products that they're not interested in, or I'm not doubling up and giving them samples of products that I've already given them before. So, but other than that, that's it. And I have a very loyal customer base, so really happy with how it ticks over. So I hope this was helpful. Please give the video a thumbs up if it was, because that tells me that I'm on the right track and you'd like to see more of these types of videos. If you have an idea or there's something that you would like to know more about Mary Kay business that I could possibly help you with, then comment below about that too, because I love sharing ideas. That's what Mary Kay is all about. If we all share ideas, then we're all successful at it. But other than that, I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. So have a great, prosperous week, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.